Our eyes is undoubtedly one of the most important organs in the body. The eyes are the window in which we view the world, but sometimes our lifestyle choices coupled with daily stress can cause wrinkles around the eyes, puffiness and dryness, and even dark circles, which can make us look older than we actually are and can also lead to loss of vision. In today's video, I will share with you a simple recipe that can help improve your eyesight drastically. So if that's something that sounds interesting to you, then keep on watching. Hello lovelies, welcome back to UZL TV. I hope you guys are doing great. Today's recipe requires a few ingredients you can always find at home. It is packed with essential vitamins, minerals and antioxidants that helps target and heal almost any eye related problems. To prepare this recipe, you will need 3 pieces of carrot, 2-inch ginger, 2 oranges, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 2 cups almond milk. Those are the ingredients we need to make this recipe. And to prepare this drink, carefully wash all your fruits, peeling the skin of the carrots and ginger. And then go ahead to chop them in bite sizes. Add all the ingredients to the blender. Blend smoothly. If you're going to be using a juicer, soak the chia seed in the almond milk for about 2 hours before you begin juicing the rest of the ingredients. Now when you're done juicing all the ingredients, go ahead and mix the chia seed and the almond milk with the juice from the fruits you've already juiced. Mix them all together, serve in a glass and drink. Now you're not supposed to store this drink for more than 3 days in the fridge, so whatever quantity you're making should be able to last you for 2 days. After the 3rd day, if you still have some of it in the fridge, then go ahead and toss that and make a new batch. Again, our eyesight is one one of the most important organs in the body, and so taking care of it is something you need to start doing regularly on a daily basis, and not wait until you notice any problems with your vision or you start getting dark circles around your eyes. These nutrients from the ingredients we're using today are things you should be consuming on a daily basis, and so making them in this form just enhances the potency because we're juicing out the real carotenoids from the veggies, the real vitamins and all of that. You're loading your body with these nutrients within a specific space of time, and that is definitely going to help your body heal, especially your eyes heal faster. Now, if you have extreme cases or you're just beginning to notice, even if it's the slightest discomfort in your eyes, it is always recommendable that you visit the ophthalmologist to get a comprehensive eye examination done, even if it is once a year, so that you discover any problems earlier, if any, and start finding ways to improving your eyesight. The directions for this is very simple. Drink first thing in the morning for about 30 days to see huge changes in your eyesight. I hope you found today's video interesting. There are lots and lots of recipes on this channel, so go ahead and check them out. And until I come your way next time, folks, keep loving, keep serving, and keep staying positive. Bye for now.